Peace be with you, brothers and sisters. I'm happy to share my message of solidarity for this activity of the Word in the Faith Harmony Week. I know that this beginning of the years, the new millennium, was a dream of dialogue and harmony among civilization. Unfortunately, we started with 9/11 tragedy and many other things. In the Philippines also, we had the experience of the so-called total war in Mindanao that create a lot of pain, and Sirsila started at the time the Harmony Prayer Initiative, and after, by we can say coincidence or inspiration, we are happy that sometimes in 2007 138 Muslim scholars prepared a document that is called A Common World Between Us and You, Muslim and Christian, and that was we can say the starting point, this spirit of harmony in spite of the difficulties of this new millennium, start with a lot of hope. So in the United Nations, we know that in 2010 they formally launched the Word in the Faith Harmony Week, and I'm happy to say that we are doing our best, starting from Zamboanga and after spreading around in Manila and all around the country. I know that the Uni-Harmony partners in Manila are very active, like in Zamboanga and some other place. So we are celebrating this. And I know also that the Quiapo Church is very active. There is a group of interreligious dialogue. It is very symbolic because Quiapo is the center of devotion of the Nazareno, and the other side of the road there is the Golden Mosque, where relations have been not very friendly in the past, but now there are very touching story of solidarity. So with this spirit, we can say really this year we are celebrating this Word in the Faith Harmony Week, living the spirit of harmony and solidarity amidst COVID-19 in the wounded world. So what about us? How we are living this? Now we can say many things. What I can say, I'm very happy and I can encourage many who are doing this in spite of the difficulties. This year we cannot do great celebration outside, but I know how all of us, we are meeting Zoom or other form of initiative. On my part, I want to say that we are spreading also the Harmony Chain initiative, and this will be the prayer that I will read as a message for this Word in the Faith Harmony Week. Say this: O Lord, I cry for peace. Purify my eyes to see peace. Purify my mind to understand peace. Purify my heart to love peace. Purify my memory to work for peace, the peace that comes from your love and compassion. O Lord, sustain my vision of peace, following your inspiration. You have many ways, revealing your presence and love for humanity, but your style is constant. You are in dialogue with all. You care for all. Make me, O Lord, a sign of your peace, living a life in dialogue with you, to understand your silence and seek your presence, in dialogue with myself, to rediscover the meaning of my life, in dialogue with others, to move together in harmony with all, and in dialogue with creation to care for the earth. Give me, O Lord, the courage to live in dialogue in the midst of divisions and conflict, and to build peace with all people of sincere heart who believe in your love and compassion. This is the harmony prayer. There is also the harmony song. And with this spirit, I wish all of us will remain in solidarity with this Word in the Faith Harmony Week that is February 1 to 7. But the spirit of the Word in the Faith Harmony Week is to continue, especially in this critical time in the history, because harmony starts from the heart, has to be shared to all. God bless us.